Hello everybody, Thurtinkle here again in the kitchen with Tineke. How you doing, Tineke?
I'm good.
I'm feeling a little hungry. What about you?
Eating always helps, you know.
What are you preparing today, Tineke?
I'm preparing one of my favorite recipes, which is one of Otto Lengi's book, you know.
Who?
This is Otto Lengi. He's
Ooh.
a really good chef and he's got interesting recipes, especially with vegetables.
Okay.
So this particular one is one of my favorite. It's beetroot, roasted beetroot with yogurt and dill.
Wow, that sounds great. Do you like beetroot? So, is they raw then? Are we starting to roast them?
No, we roasted them before. We had them in a 220 degrees warm oven, wrapped in foil, each one of those beetroots. And then you don't have to skin them before, but afterwards the skin just comes off very easily.
Oh.
But of course the easiest thing is just to leave them in the oven for about 40 minutes. When they're done, you take them out, you let them rest so they cool down, and then it's easy to peel. Yeah.
And
so I've done all of that.
You roast them in foil, don't you?
Yes.
Yep.
Alfoil. Okay. Yeah.
So there we go.
So these
freshly
are
roasted beetroot. What else do we need for this recipe?
We need some yogurt. Yeah. We have some tahini. Yeah. I sliced some red onion.
Okay.
This is preserved lemon.
Preserved lemons. You just buy that in the shops?
Yeah, in some shops you can buy them.
Okay.
Yeah. And I guess you could make your own, you know, but not instantly. Yeah.
I'm well preserved.
Yes. And this, smell this.
Oh, wow, that smells great.
Yeah. What is it? You remember what it was?
No idea.
It's dill.
Dill.
Dill is beautiful.
Oh. Sometimes you use that for fish, don't you?
Yes. Salmon. And a bit of lemon juice.
Oh, of course.
Yeah. So here we go. I'm going to slice these in kind of thick slices.
Okay.
Look at this.
Yeah, it stains a lot, that beetroot, doesn't it? You have to be careful.
Yeah.
Always wear your apron when messing about with beetroot.
Yes.
Smells of the earth too. Have you noticed that about beetroot?
Oh, and there's an ingredient I forgot to mention.
What's that?
We also add a little bit of olive oil with cumin seeds.
Oh, right.
Yeah. So one of these beautiful herbs and spices is cumin. So what I did, I popped a teaspoon and a half in some olive oil and let it roast on a medium fire. So that's all ready to go. So that's going right there as well.
So kind of deep fried cumin seeds in olive oil.
That's right.
Okay.
And now it's quite easy. We add 1 teaspoon of tahini in the yogurt and mix that. That's going to be the kind of a topping that goes onto the salad. Yeah.
Right. Now we've got a few of these recipes now on YouTube. We made a playlist called Thurtinkle's Cooking Show, so see if you can find it on the internet somewhere.
Yeah. And maybe you have some variations to these recipes that you'd like to share with us. You know, it's always good to know how what people do with recipes and how you can adapt them. Yeah,
we'd love to hear your comments. So that would be good as well. Give us some ideas. Because, you know, we're stuck at home a lot.
Yeah. How are you in being stuck at home there?
I'm okay. How's your mum doing?
Well, I guess she's in Belgium. She's more used to being stuck at home because she's not always that mobile. But she loves socializing, so she has to adapt. And you know what we did the other day?
What did you do?
So she was having lunch because in Belgium there's like 6 hours difference. She was having lunch and we prepared dinner and then we had Skype on.
Oh.
And so we prepared food and ate together.
Oh.
Yeah.
So you can still have family meals even during times of lockdown.
That's right. So in the meantime, we're cooking here. Look, I've got the onion in there.
Yep.
I'm adding the preserved lemon. I'm adding about 2 teaspoons of lemon juice.
I love that lemon squeezer.
cumin in the olive oil.
So you just drizzle that over the top.
Just drizzle it over the top.
I think you've forgotten the herbs though, haven't you?
No, that's coming. That's
Okay.
coming. Yeah. So some of them will go in there already to mix up, but most of them we'll add at the end. Just
I
give that
see.
A good swirl. Not with my hands this time because they'll end up so red.
Have you put the yogurt and tahini mix in yet?
That's coming. That's the last.
Okay.
That's the last bit. So, okay, so that's all mixed up. So what I'm then doing, just before I serve it, you might want to leave that in the fridge until you're ready to go to have dinner or lunch.
If it's a hot day, you might like it chilled as well.
And then just before you serve it, this is what you do. You just have these dollops of yogurt and tahini in there.
Artistically put.
Yeah. And maybe one in the middle. There. And then we add big tufts of dill.
Big tufts of dill.
There you go. Big tufts of dill. In there. In there. In there.
Aha!
There we are. Ready.
Look at that. A perfect beetroot salad, and the flavours are quite amazing, aren't they?
It smells delicious. You know, that the groundness of this red beetroot with the tahini and the dill. It's just
because it's kind of peanutty, spicy, herby beetroot.
Yeah, beetroot.
Anyway, this is Thurtinkle and Tineke. You can like our Facebook page, that would be great. Share these videos with your friends and let us know what else you'd like us to be cooking. Tell us what's in your kitchen.
And enjoy your meal.
Bon appetit!